Hello everyone and welcome to Project Discovery presented by Collective Shift. I'm Nathan and today we're going to talk about the 3 best crypto and NFT projects that our research team found last week. We do this report as well as a myriad of other research and investment opportunity discovery analysis over at collectiveshift.io, so head over there for more information. Be sure to like and subscribe. We've got no time to lose. Let's get right into it. First up today is ETHPass. ETHPass.xyz is giving us an easy and secure way to prove ownership of NFTs in real life using our Apple Wallet or Google Pay passes. Very cool. Here is their website, and their valuation proposition is NFTs in your pocket. And as they just said, an easy way to prove and secure ownership of NFTs. So you could, or we could as users, we could design a customized wallet pass tied to an NFT, so say one of our avatars. We would have token holders install the pass using Apple Wallet or Google Pay, no third-party apps. And then we would simply scan the QR code. So the application would give us a QR code, therefore that is customized to the NFTs that we've specified. And then if we had an in real life event, people would be able to use their phones, potentially if they're logged into MetaMask, scan the QR code, and the QR code would say, wonderful, you do own the NFT, therefore you get this in real life benefit or access or discount or whatever. The EVM networks they're supporting, or the Ethereum virtual machine networks they're supporting, is Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism. So good to see they're building for layer 2. And now if we think about use cases for the crossover between NFT ownership and in real life events, we could use these services for event ticketing, token gating, loyalty programs, membership access, and then one that's not on there that I think is great is discounts. So if you go to a store that's, Doodles or Cool Cats friendly, potentially you'll get a discount. So that is ETHPay. They've got a blog. This is their live demo, or actually, here's their live demo. If you wanted to, we could go in and check out their live demo, connect our MetaMask wallet, and check out the API services that they're offering. And that's our first one of the day for ETHPass. Second up today was probably one of the biggest projects in NFTs last week was OKPC. They call themselves an on-chain toy that lets you create, collect, and share artwork. Awesome. They've already created an OKPC bot that's listening to the gallery for sales and new mints when it was minting last week. I believe they are all minted out. And let's check out the website and the user experience. It was a world-class user experience. People were able to come in here, and if you clicked connect and you connected your wallet and you minted one, it would kind of say that there were bits waiting for you, and if you were part of the whitelist, there would be some bits reserved for you to then go and create your OKPC, and then public minters happened after the whitelisting. Now, what are we actually minting before we go back to the website? Here's what we're minting. Little pixelated images, almost like little presentation boards where we are able to present pixelated images. They minted for 0.16, and now prices did go down below minting. Google doesn't, or OpenSea doesn't really show it very well, but they did drop down to about 0.1, slightly below 0.1, I believe, and now we're back up to 0.15 almost, so slightly below mint price. Now, a new OKPTC comes with artwork by one of our founding artists. One of the great things about this project is they are working with a number of founding artists. If we go back to OpenSea, let me get into full screen mode. If I go down to the left-hand side, there's 55 artists that they're working with, which is wild. So I see Numo right there. Numo's a well-known pixelated artist. So very, very cool there. If you minted a new one, you would get one that is done by the founding artists. And then the OKPTC platform, which is pre-launch, comes with a Paint app that allows us to draw new artwork on our OKPTC OKPC. So if we didn't get one from the founding artists, or if we just don't like ours, we could actually always just start fresh. And it looks like we can repaint over our little pixelated images or repixelate it. So wanted to mention this one. This one was all the talk in on-chain communities late last week, like Blip Maps and Chain Runners, and I believe a few others. They were discussing it. This is a fully on-chain project, I believe, and they did give access, whitelisting access to those on-chain communities. So it got the on-chain communities quite excited. For me, it's a mixed bag. I really like the unique nature of it. I like the on-chainness. I like how they're working with 55 different artists, so that helps propagate the project out into the world. The reason I didn't mint was that I didn't want another pixelated image in my wallet. I've got quite a few abstract pixelated images in my wallet. Some are good, some are bad, and I wasn't going to roll the dice on this one for 0.16 minting costs. And, you know, with prices trending upwards, probably a bad call in the long run. We will see. And the gallery hasn't opened, which I think that could help prices as well. It looks like they're going to get their own custom gallery where you'll be able to buy and sell OKPCs and potentially alter them as well with their Paint app. So looks like further things are coming from these OKPCs. They've got now a group of 55 artists that they can leverage in the future. So this was all the rage. Like I mentioned, I didn't mint, and I'm still 50-50. I still don't know my opinion of whether that was a good or a bad decision. So, but I did want to let you know all the talk of the town within on-chain communities late last week. And last one for the day is LlamaPay. LlamaPay is a multi-chain, gas-efficient, user-friendly protocol for streaming transactions. If you've watched any of these over the last couple of months, last year and a half, we love money streaming and programmable money over here at Collective Shift. We believe it solves a lot of real-world problems from traditional finance, especially in developing countries. So streaming of transactions, the concept and the frameworks there in crypto, we've got it on Polygon with Superfluid, but no one's actually, it hasn't really caught on, in my opinion. We aren't sending money streams around as much as we should. And essentially in 5 years, there's no way I'm getting paid every 2 weeks with my job. It's just not happening. I'm going to get paid every couple of days. Or, if I do a day of work, an employee should get paid. So streaming transactions allows for that more recurring payments as well as micropayments. And now I picked out LlamaPay specifically because it's built by llamas. And when I say llamas, if I click Discord, it's built by the team at DefiLlama. For those that don't know DefiLlama does DeFi analytics and is one of the two most trusted sources along with DeFi Pulse for total value locked and other analytics around DeFi numbers. So the fact that LlamaPay is being built by DefiLlama is massively bullish to me. I think DefiLlama people know what they're doing and know what people need. So very, very cool. We have llamas creating LlamaPay, and then they do have a beta application as well. Here is the beta application. We've just got LlamaPay in the top left-hand corner. We got a dashboard. We got new streams if we created a money stream. And then we could also connect our wallet in the top right-hand corner. I did this earlier, and not much happened, to be honest. It was a very limited user experience at the moment, but that's just because we're so early. And that is about it on LlamaPay. Get ready for streaming transactions, and just really, really bullish that the DefiLlama team's building it. And that is it for Project Discovery this week. Thank you very much for listening, for the people that got through all three. Just so everyone knows, here is our user interface for our platform over at collectiveshift.io. We are pulling API information for our cryptocurrency, for major cryptocurrency assets, with also analysis in there as well. And then additionally, something that not many research firms have, pretty much none actually. We have 3 live portfolios, an early stage crypto opportunities, a long-term growth portfolio, and an NFT portfolio, which is very, very rare in the space. And these are not mock portfolios. Collective Shift is investing some of their balance sheet to kind of lead the way and light the way related to what investments we think are good to put in a portfolio. So head on over there for more information to collectiveshift.io. And that's it for today. Little under 10 minutes, probably the first time in history. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. We'll be back at it next week. Bye for now.